welcome to Murder Mystery Part 2. Mia, continue the intro.
Hey guys, hope you like our other video. If you haven't, go watch it now. Yeah.
Hey Mia, what role are you? What role are you?
And leave a comment.
What role are you?
I'm innocent.
Sheriff.
Really? Where are you?
Someone died. They're under the stairs. OMG! I saw the murderer.
Are you outside? Go outside.
Outside is the murderer. Do not go there. No, Mia, come on, hurry up. Today we are twins and the murderers. No!
No!
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh man. Come on.
Well, I'm gonna continue eating Pocky.
So, you changed your skin. You did not tell me about that. Now we look identical.
Yeah, at least you have your username on top.
Yeah, or else we didn't know which one is which.
Which one is which? Guys, if you're Asian, you should try Pocky. But if you're not Asian, you should still try Pocky.
Yeah, for some reason she's eating it right now.
Guys, did you know there's barbecue Pocky? Ugh. I'm a spectate. My friend is in the game. Dewey Productions.
Really?
Yes. Dewey Productions.
Oh, I see him. I'm spectating him.
Dancing.
Yeah, he said dancing.
Dewey Productions. Welcome to me and Pineapple's channel. Hello, Dewey Productions. I'm talking right now. Wow, he has so many coins. Oh my god, he said hi.
Yeah, he has a lot of points.
1v2. I survived. 1 versus 2 player. That's the murderer. Why is he sitting next to the murderer?
I don't know. He's probably saying that he was a murderer. And he's probably thinking in his mind, oh, I was right next to the murderer. He probably must be horrified, like.
But did you know the murderer is friends with him?
Really?
Yeah. Obviously.
Oh. Okay, well then forget everything I said.
Oh my god. I'm not sure, but I think they're friends because he said, why are you gray? Because he's gray. Dewey. No, don't judge him. Dewey, you're stupid. Dewey, you're stupid. If you're watching this, you're stupid. Innocent. Where are you? Are you a murderer?
I'm innocent. JK, murderer, just kidding. JK. I'm innocent. Am I confusing you?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm depressed now. I'm very depressed now.
You totally confused me. Wait, you could actually move those. You could actually move those things.
Yeah, I know. You didn't know that?
No. Until now.
No!
Oh my god! don't know.
Is that legal? Because I don't think you can just walk up to a person, pretend like you're innocent, and then kill someone.
Well, that's the point of the game of being murderer.
I don't care.
And no, we could do that, so it's not legal. Oi! No, I stand on your head.
Aw, man, I was gonna dance on your head. No, you don't deserve to stand on my head. we both try to stand on each other at the same time. Get away from me! She's still following me. Oh no! No, she's still following me! Ah!
He's like jumping rabbits. You're jumping rabbits. Ooh, I have hiccups. Oh my god. What are you trying to do?
Trying to get away from you. What do you think?
I pushed you down. Come back here.
No!
Up. And I oop.
Upward and X.
Hero. I didn't get any coins.
I'm hiding. Come find me. Come find me. I'm hiding.
Coming. Found you.
No.
Here.
No, you didn't.
Here.
You don't see anything.
Here.
No, that's just someone else.
But then why do they have the same username as you, huh?
Because they hacked me.
And how are you playing the game? So stupid.
Oh no, I didn't see what I am.
I'm innocent because I don't have any
No,
weapons.
innocent. I can see you.
Someone's killing everybody.
I think I know who.
I think it's the bacon guy. Because he just walked
Yep.
past them. He went upstairs. Oh, another dead person. I want the gun! I want the gun! No! Okay then, you don't know how to use the gun. Yo, he's following us. He's on to us. Yo, I'm scared. Ah! Did you die?
No!
Oh my god.
He killed me!
I told you didn't know how to use a gun.
Why?
Because you picked up the gun.
Why is this game so cold?
We have 5 minutes. We have 4 minutes left to record.
What?
We have 4 minutes left to record.
I think we can do 1 round left. But don't worry, we're doing episode 1, episode 3, episode 2. This is gonna be episode 2. I think maybe next video we'll do episode 3.
No, episode 3 of Lumia Legacy.
Can we please do murder mystery?
Fine.
Yay.
Listen. Hmm?
I'm Sharon.
Mia, hide here. Let's hide here.
Okay.
Behind the door.
Yes.
Ah! Why did you kill me? Mia? Were you murdered? I'm gonna tell everybody.
No.
Fine.
That's shooting.
Yeah, but you're. Everybody knows now. Those 2 people know. That guy saw you! He has a pizza! Everybody saw you now. The video's about to end in 2 minutes. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Didn't get him.
I'm trying to get this idiot. He keeps running away.
Here, get him! Wait, I shouldn't be helping you. You killed me.
You're mad?
No, I'm not mad. I'm just like a bit angry. We have 1 minute to record. Guys, listen to this ASMR. I don't know if you heard it, but okay. The video's about to end in 45 seconds. And we're just gonna watch Pineapple Flower / Mia fail. The murderer has won. We should do our outro, Mia.
Okay, let's do the intro.
No, outro.
Sorry.
Why is everybody gray? Bye, guys. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, and bye. The video's about to end in 4 seconds. Bye.